Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside an Office app. Open File and choose Options, then Language. This is where Office stores display and editing preferences. Once there, scan the Office display language and help language panels to see installed languages. If your target language appears, select it. If not, click the option to add a new language. Make sure you're signed in to sync settings across devices because changes may follow your account rather than the local machine. Next, add and install the language pack. Click Add a Language, choose the exact variant, for example, Spanish Mexico, and press Add. Some languages require downloading an accessory pack or separate proofing tools. Follow prompts to download and install. Once the files finish installing, set the new language as Display and / or Editing, then close and restart the Office app to apply changes. If you manage multiple Office versions, repeat for each version. To finish, confirm the new language appears at the top of both display and editing lists. Use the Move Up button to prioritize it, then click OK. If the interface still shows the old language, sign out of Office or reboot Windows. That forces sync. If problems continue, run Office Repair via Control Panel or reinstall the language accessory pack. One key tip: check Windows language settings too. Mismatched Windows locale can override Office display language in some configurations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.